exponent. The exponent is writing the larger number into a shorter form. Like for example, exponent. For example, this is 10,000. So how will you write this number into shorter form? So how many zeros are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is known that there are 4 10. So these are 4 10. So this can be written as 4 10. This is power and this is base. So this is the exponential form of this number. Okay, now do one example. Write 256 into the prime factors into exponential form. So this can be divided by 2 into 128, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 64, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 60, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many 2's are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 2's. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 4. This is the exponential form of this number. Simplify into the prime factors. So now this can be simplified into the product of prime factors. So this can be expressed as 2 into 36, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 18, 3 into 3. So this can be expressed as 2. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many 3's are there? 1, 2. So this is a product of prime factors. This is the exponential form of this number. Now let us come to laws of exponents. Laws of exponent. So first law of exponent is multiplying power when base is same. Multiplying power when base is same. So let's take an example, 2 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 3. So let us multiply this. So base are same. So this can be written as this into 2 raised to power 3. So 2 3 times. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be written as 5. So it is equal to 2 raised to power 2 plus 3. So the base is same and these numbers are multiplying. The powers will be added. Remember, the powers will be added. So general formula will be a raised to power m. When multiplied by a raised to power n, base is same. These are multiplying. So their power will be added. A m plus n. Now second is dividing power when base is same. So first is 2 raised to power 5 when divided by 2 raised to power 2. So how many 2's are there? 5. So it can be written as 5 times. Now this will be simplified into 2 times. So this is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, or you can say 2 raised to power 3. So this also can be written as 2 raised to power 5 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So when these numbers are dividing and having same base, their powers will be subtracted. So this can be written as a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. This is the general rule. Now another is, do one example. Do this. 11 minus 11 raised to power 5 multiply by minus 11 raised to power 3. So what will be the answer? So when minus 1 raised to power odd number, any odd number, what will be the answer? Minus 1. And when the base is 2, so it will become plus 1. So its answer will be minus 11 raised to power 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Or do 8 divided by 5, 2, which is equal to 5, 8 minus 2, which is 5 raised to power 6. So now third law is power of power. So 2 raised to power, let's take an example, anything 2 raised to power 2, taking power of 2 raised to power 3, taking it twice done. Okay, now how it will be written? 2 raised to power 3, taking it twice done, so 2 raised to power 3 again. So these numbers are multiplying and having same base, so their power will be added. It is equal to 2 raised to power 6. So this can be written as 2 raised to power 3 into 2. Okay, so their power will be multiplied when taking power of power. So general rule will be a raised to power m, taking power is nth time, will be equals to a raised to power m into n. So do one example. Good. A question is 5 raised to power 2 into 3 or 5 raised to power 2 की power 3. Which one is greater? Yes, do it. 5 raised to power 2 into 3 is greater or 5 raised to power 2 की power 3 is greater. Which one is greater? So this will be 3 into 5 raised to power 2 is 25, which is equal to 75. Or this is 5 raised to power 2 is 75, taking is thrice power. So I think this one will be greater. Yes, this is 25. So 25 thrice time, which is equal to 25 into 25 into 25. So this one is greater. Okay. Now the fourth law is anything taking zeroth power. Anything, let's say 2 taking power as 0. Okay. If 2 is a number taking its power 0, so what will be the answer? 1. So general rule will be a to the power 0 will be equals to 1. Whether it will be minus a or